And it's gardening time. It's been a while. I haven't done a burning for a couple of months. Neighbors complain, but I just told them we're selling the property, so I have to clean. It costs a lot of money to get a rubbish taken away. It's not a small property, so I just have to do what I can do, you know. And in our yard, this is my exercise. I don't know what you do with your life if you're not doing anything. I suppose people work and they can afford to pay people to do the job for them. We don't. Oh, there's too much to do. Like this, I got all these bananas here. Yeah. I like to see bananas here. You know, look, they're coming back. Look at my bananas, they're coming back. Oh, 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 it's too much smoke. Yes, this is my exercise. This, I'm going to plant this. There's so much to do. There's so much to do in the yard, you know. And this is also already my exercise. You know, if you don't plant anything, nothing will grow. So you have to plant something. Like this, I planted all the banana trees here. Anyhow, you have a lovely day, and I'll talk to you again. You know, hey, and take good care. Have a lovely day.